How's it going, everybody? This is Beat the Bush. This is the Mueller Pro-series 2 Mandoline. It comes with the small dicer, the large dicer, garnish slicer, regular slicer, fine slicer, a julienne, a fine julienne, a grater, and it comes with this extra spiralizer that does ribbon curls. Turn it and it'll do noodles, turn it again, it'll do linguine, turn it again, it'll do spaghetti. To change this, you just lift up on it and pull it out. I'm gonna remove this top piece, you just kind of pull it up, and you can attach the slicer portion, put it down, we'll put the slicer on. This is the piece that'll help you slice. There are pins to hold your vegetable and a pusher to remove it later. The vegetable holder fits on top and it sits on the rails on the outside, and you can move it back and forth really quickly without slicing your fingers. Does this save time? If you were to cut this, you had to slice it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So instead of doing 10 slices, you just push it down once. There you go, it's all sliced. The small dicer saves even more time. There are 11 blades on each side, so 22 cuts. You still need to peel your potatoes and slice them up to the width of these grates. Put them on, one quick fast motion. There you go, all diced. Let's try that again. And with a section of cucumber. I got carrot here. Trying it with a tomato. If you push straight, wow. I've tried other ones where you have to slide it left and right to get it to cut, but this one slices pretty well. Fine slicer. To clean the dicer pusher, you use this little comb thing and scrape it along. Let me try the julienne here. Yep, here we go. Let's do the fine julienne. I like this one better. It's like they put this kind in sandwiches. Now let's try the grater. Smells so gingery. Nicely done. Check out the spiralizer. You cut off the ends of the cucumber, put it in the center, and start turning. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, look at that. Spiralized. Turn it to noodles. 1, 2, 3. Noodle-like. Linguine mode. Noodles. It's always fun to spiralize. In spaghetti mode. I like my noodles a bit thinner. If you're towards the end, you want to put the end piece on and then keep on doing your thing, and you won't cut your fingers. There's a little bit left in here. You gotta remove that. I've got the end piece of a carrot attached to the end. Do the rest of it. Towards the end, you can push down on this. Okay, seems like it's done. Let's see what's left. Then you just toss this piece away and got a bunch of carrots, all julienne. If you want each piece to be a square cube, then you need each slice to be accordingly thin. If you guys are interested in this product, I have an Amazon affiliate link down in the video description below. Thanks for watching this video. Until next time.